Hello, my amazing subscribers. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss important updates about working and moving abroad. Also, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It helps YouTube show it to more people like you who need this information. And if this is your first time here, kindly tell me where you're watching from in the comments. I would love to personally welcome you. Today, we're diving deep into Australia's work permit visa. If you've ever dreamed of working in Australia legally, earning in Australian dollars, and possibly settling there long term, this is your golden opportunity. Stick with me to the end, because I'll also share job search websites and the best visa categories for skilled workers, and how some jobs may not even require you to get employer sponsorship upfront. Australia continues to experience labor shortages in key industries and is actively inviting skilled foreign workers through its work permit pathways in 2025. Some of the main work visa options include Temporary Skill Shortage Visa, Subclass 482, for those with job offers from an Australian employer. Skilled Independent Visa, Subclass 189, points tested, no job offer needed. Skilled Nominated Visa, Subclass 190, sponsored by a state or territory government. Employer Nomination Scheme, Subclass 186, permanent visa sponsored by an employer. Working Holiday Visa, for eligible countries, age restrictions apply. And the best part? Many occupations are in high demand and listed on Australia's updated skilled occupation list. You may be eligible if you have a qualification or work experience in an in-demand field, score well in the points test, age, education, work experience, English skills, pass health and character checks, get a nomination from an Australian employer or state, depending on the visa. Top in-demand professions include healthcare, nurses, aged care workers, doctors, IT professionals, software developers, cybersecurity, data analysts, construction and trades, electricians, plumbers, carpenters, agriculture, farm workers, packers, fruit pickers, engineers, civil, mechanical, electrical, teachers and early childhood educators, chefs and hospitality workers. Here's how to apply for the Australia Work Permit Visa. Check the skilled occupation list to see if your job is eligible. I have included the link in the video description. Get a skills assessment from the relevant assessing authority in Australia. Take an English test, IELTS, TOEFL, PTE, or OET if required. Create an expression of interest, on Skill Select. Receive an invitation to apply, ITA. Gather your documents and submit your visa application online. Wait for your visa decision. Some visas, like Subclass 482, require a job offer from an Australian employer. But other visas, like Subclass 189 or 190, allow you to apply independently, especially if your skills are in high demand. How to find these jobs? Now, let's talk about how to find sponsored jobs in Australia. I've listed the best job websites and government portals in the video description below, but here's a quick preview. Here are some top websites to help you. Jobsearch.gov.au, Australian Government Jobs. Seek.com.au. Indeed Australia. Workforce Australia for employers. Skill Select portal for points-based visas. You can filter your job search by roles that offer visa sponsorship. Look for keywords like 482 visa sponsorship or Subclass 186 eligible. Pro tips. Don't forget to tailor your CV to the Australian format. Use clear headings, focus on responsibilities and achievements, and include any certifications. Practice for virtual interviews, they're common for international hires. Check if your profession needs registration or licensing in Australia, especially healthcare or education. Always apply early, processing times can take weeks or months, depending on the visa subclass. Now you know that working in Australia in 2025 is not just a dream, it's a real and achievable goal. Whether you want to work in a hospital in Sydney, join a tech company in Melbourne, or take up a trade job in Queensland, Australia is calling for skilled people like you. And with the right information, you can fast-track your journey to working and living legally in one of the most livable countries in the world. All the links to apply, job websites, and visa information are in the description below, don't forget to check it out. If you got value from this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and share with a friend who's also looking to relocate in 2025. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.